What is silly money? Silly money is British English, informal, for a ridiculously large amount of money. It can also mean a small amount of money, but this use is not so common. Let's look at some examples. If you want to rent an apartment in central London, such as this area in Mayfair, you must expect to pay silly money. Next, a British Columbia resident paid silly money, $2.3 million, for John Lennon's Rolls Royce back in 1985, and then donated it to the Royal British Columbia Museum. Next, in 1977, after Bill Gates was photographed by the New Mexico police for a traffic violation, who could have known that he would go on to make silly money selling a computer operating system? So, in summary, if you want to refer to a ridiculously large sum of money, why not use the term silly money? It's now in the Oxford English Dictionary. Has this video helped you? Hit like now. And continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Just hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and choose all to be notified when there are new videos. Build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.